If you're trying to start a business online, how do you know if something is a scam or if something is legit? I'm going to give you this quick guide by using one very specific example that I think is hilarious and completely very, very funny. But watch to the end of this video because I'm going to give you some skills here on how to eye an obvious scam. And I'm going to tell you all about how this guru thing works so that you know from now on exactly who is legit and who is not. There are very few that are legit. Some of them are good friends of mine. Some of them are channels that I follow that I think are great. And unfortunately, the vast majority of this stuff is just scams and hearsay and a bunch of crap. But I'm going to show you exactly how to be able to tell the difference in this video. And I'm going to show you how to make the right decisions when you're starting a business online and what to really look out for, how to have the solid foundation that you're looking for. If you're new to this channel, I'm the infamous Joel, and I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, mostly through affiliate marketing. That's my favorite way to make income online. But today we're going to talk about how to spot these horrible fake gurus and the people making this stuff up, and how to keep your money in your pocket and away from them. I'm going to start with number one here. Number one is a fundamental understanding of how this fake guru thing all got started. First of all, it's very common here on YouTube. YouTube, I don't know if it's really ground zero or where it all got started, all this fake guru stuff. But I do believe that YouTube, just by design, kind of supports this idea of having a fake guru. And I'm going to explain why. See, YouTube's algorithm works off two essential key metrics, okay? It's clicks and it's watch time. Clicks and watch time. And what that means is the videos that more often get clicked on are going to be supported by YouTube more often. That means those are the videos that you would normally see. They're the videos that YouTube will want to push ahead of the pack. They're the ones that you'll probably get on your feed more often. And that's because YouTube has one priority on YouTube, and that's to keep people on YouTube. And the other one being that watch time, and it's the same thing. The more and the longer people watch videos, the more people watch that channel, the more YouTube wants to prioritize that person's channel and push their videos out to more people. So I'm not placing blame here. Please don't demonetize me. Google, don't come after me, knock on my door, bring your guys in black suits and all that stuff. I'm not saying it's YouTube's fault or Google's fault, parent company. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying the way the algorithm is designed kind of makes it a breeding ground and a nesting ground for all these fake gurus, because if you think about it, then all you have to do to be a fake guru and take advantage of YouTube is make very clickable and very watchable content. And unfortunately, for a lot of channels, that means make it really entertaining, make it really funny, make it engaging, make it a hot topic, make it something, which is great. But in the make money online niche and all this like Amazon FBA, how to click here and how to run these apps, it's really about making things sound super easy, super fast, and super everything, right? Because unfortunately, as human beings, we have design flaws, right? The way that we're designed, we want everything right now with no effort whatsoever. Unfortunately, that's just how we're designed. That's how we are. And every single marketer, including myself on the planet, knows that. If you watch TV for long enough, and you know, I hate TV, but if you watch it for long enough, you watch infomercials and stuff, what is the angle of almost every product out there? You get the result right now without any effort whatsoever. Like Abinator 5000, you know, see six-pack abs in 2 weeks, right? The faster they can make something sound, the easier they can make something sound, the more people are enticed to sit down and consume it. That's just how we're designed as human beings, unfortunately. Now, before I go poo-poo on anybody else's channel or throw anyone else under the bus, not trying to start trouble here, I want to sit there and say and raise my hand and say I'm guilty of this too. Not only have I bought a lot of products and consumed a lot of this content myself, especially in the beginning, because in the beginning you don't really know any better, I've also made this content myself right here on this channel. There's some content on this channel, some videos that I'm kind of ashamed of to this day. One day I'll go through and start deleting them. You can see them on my channel just so you know I'm transparent. Stuff that's like click and make $5 right away and do this. Honestly, because at the time I was trying to compete. At the time, I saw all these giant YouTube channels, Kevin, David, and all these guys, millions of subscribers and all these views, and I got envious. I said, oh my God, those channels are ginormous. How do I get that big? How do I get these big channels and get all this attention? Well, unfortunately, I saw that what they were doing on their channel was making things seem super easy and super fast and super everything. So I try to sensationalize my content and make it seem super fast and super easy and everything. But that only That only appealed to me for so long. After so long, I started kind of getting sick of it. I started feeling like, I'm flat out lying to people. I know I'm not actually making money this way. I know that this actually probably doesn't work. And I just feel bad putting this content out there and putting ideas in people's heads, thinking that, oh, this is definitely going to work because the infamous Joel said it works. And more than anything, I never want to break you guys' trust. I don't want you guys to think like I'm just flat out lying to you. So I stopped making those videos a long time ago. I was actually inspired by a guy named Wesley Virgin, Billionaire Virgin, whatever. He was really like animated and loud and really confident. And I consider myself really introverted. I don't consider myself really good on camera or anything like that. So when I saw him like really loud, this crazy personality, I'm Wesley, Billionaire Virgin, I'm going to show you how to make all this money. I thought, wow, that guy's pretty cool. Like, that guy's super confident. I want to be like that. So some of those videos, I was kind of emulating him and modeling him and seeing the stuff he was making. I'm the infamous Joel and I'm so cool. I'm kind of like him, blah, blah, blah. And it was like, it just, after a while, I got sick of it. It felt like I was wearing a mask. I'm not being myself. I don't feel right. I don't feel good. This isn't the kind of content I want to put out there. I saw comments in the comment section like, hey, I'm going to go try this. And I knew the people were going to waste their time. I'm not going to be a big fan of people wasting their time or trying stuff that doesn't actually work. Affiliate marketing absolutely works. I've made 6 figures just doing affiliate marketing. But the thing about affiliate marketing, especially if you're starting from zero, especially if you're starting from the bottom, it's a lot of work. They don't tell you that. It is a lot of work. If you don't have a budget, you don't have any kind of money to invest in software, in team building, in sales funnels, and research and all, it's a lot of work. Now, let's go to somebody's channel. I'm going to show you an example of how to spot this stuff. Now, here's a guy, Dave Nick, is really, really popular, but you can see here on his channel, he's making some video all about how you can repost other people's videos on YouTube Shorts, and you can repost videos from TikTok on a YouTube Shorts and make a bajillion, kafillion, $1 million. And there's a big problem with that. Number one, when he uploaded this video, YouTube Shorts wasn't even monetized. YouTube Shorts just got monetized about a month ago at the time of this recording, okay? Sometime in late January, early February. We're in like mid-February now. That's when YouTube Shorts got monetized. So none of these channels made any money on their shorts. Nobody's shorts made any money. So that's a flat out lie. He's flat out lying, and it happens so often. I don't think that it's a misunderstanding or he didn't know or whatever. I do believe he knows that, but this is the problem with the YouTube machine and the algorithm, is you have to be able to spit out so much content, stay so much ahead of the curve, stay so much ahead of the competition to continuously get your videos pushed in front of more and more people that you eventually hit a wall and you have to just lie and make stuff up. I no longer do that, which is why my channel hit a wall and it just stayed kind of small, and I'm okay with that now. I've come to peace with that. I said, you know what? I'd rather be a small channel and just be true to myself and be true to the information I'm giving out there, give a lot of free content, give a lot of free training, valuable stuff people can actually use, and just be okay with that. I don't want to be one of these big channels that are teaching nonsense like this. Is basically, a lot of times this backdoor cheating stuff works really well on YouTube because, again, people want all the results and they want no work up front, okay? They want to just cheat, okay? So this is some fast and easy backdoor copying people's content and downloading. He's telling you to go to a downloader for TikTok, remove the watermark, upload it as a YouTube short, and boom, you make a bunch of money. It's a bunch of nonsense. It's just not true. Now, if we go over to this guy's channel, again, his name is Dave Nick, and he is just another one in a long line of these scammers, okay? He's kind of like Kevin David with an accent. He's pretty much the same thing, okay? And if we scroll down here, the first thing I want you to notice and take note of is that all of these techniques, these methods, these tactics are completely different. If this one man was doing all of these things, okay, 7 bots to make money online doing nothing. Let me see if I can get my pen out here. The point being, build a $700 a day YouTube automation business with ChatGPT and AI bots. So he's doing that, but he's also doing 7 bots to make money online doing nothing. He's also how I made $791,000 with a free app for beginners. He's also doing that. 10 free apps to make money online. How to make $500 a day passive income with ChatGPT. 7 YouTube Shorts ideas. And you can keep going on and on. 7 ways to make money using Google. So he's using Google now too. Copy this $250 an hour Canva YouTube Shorts with Canva now. So Long story short, we all have 24 hours in a day, right? We're all human beings. I'm a human being. You're a human being. We all have the same amount of time per day. Now he's getting paid $74,000 a month using this app that does the work for you. Good Lord, right? If that were true, number one, I'm pretty sure people like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, they seem to like money, right? So they would probably be doing this stuff too. If they really have to do no work whatsoever, they would probably invest in this thing or do the thing that he's saying to do because, hey, it's free. Why not just do it, right? Number two, there's no way one human being can be doing all of these different methods. This requires a lot of work going in a lot of different directions. And if you're not, if you're not new to my channel, if you stuck around for a while, you're a subscriber, I always talk about energy and directing your energy and focus in one direction, doing one thing for a long period of time until it starts working, until it starts making really great money, okay? You can't just spread yourself this thin, doing all this different stuff, and overnight you're making a crap ton of money. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's absurd. He should be ashamed of himself. And just like Kevin David got sued by the FDA or whatever the hell they were, I don't know, there's so many agencies here in the US, just like he got sued by them, I'm sure this Dave Nick guy will get sued at some point because this is just unethical. Telling people to do this stuff, half of it illegal, half of it is stuff that gives you viruses on your computer. It's just a bunch of nonsense. Some of it, and I looked through a few of these videos, some of it is stuff where he's literally telling you to spam companies affiliate links, like send them emails and spam your affiliate link to all these companies with all these softwares and stuff. That is literally illegal. That is literally illegal. Email laws dictate that you cannot just go around spamming people. That is not okay. And there's not a company in the world that's going to click your affiliate link because your email landed in their spam folder. Here, click this awesome thing and you make $1 million. It's absolutely stupid and absurd. And anybody who believes this is either super desperate, okay, and I don't mean to call anybody out here, make fun of anybody, but it's super desperate, it's super cheesy, it's super cheap, it's super stupid, and you're just wasting your time. Why does he do this? Why does anybody do this stuff? I'm going to tell you right here in a second. So the reason any YouTubers do this stuff, again, is because they're taking advantage of the YouTube algorithm. Unfortunately, this is the kind of content most people want to click on and consume because it's sensationalized. Have you ever been to a supermarket and you look at the checkout, right? Look at all the tabloid magazines. What do they say on the headlines? What do they have? They have a picture of Pamela Anderson giving birth to an alien, right? It's just the most insane, ridiculous, sensationalized crap. But those tabloids are still around after all these years. And someone at that tabloid magazine is getting paid a six-figure salary to come up with those headlines and those photos and the ridiculous, crazy stuff to get people's attention, to get people to buy the magazine, to read the silly story. Of course it's not going to be true. Of course it's just a bunch of crap. But just like that situation at the supermarket, YouTube works the same way. YouTube attracts you with all these videos that are very sensationalized, make things sound really, really easy, no effort, make money while you sleep, all that stuff. Look, here's the truth, okay? Here's the flat out honest truth. I built a six-figure business in affiliate marketing, built a six-figure business coaching people on affiliate marketing. You can check my stats. You can look at my screenshots that are not doctored, okay? You can look at some old videos of me actually making sales and showing how I built everything. But I'm going to tell you, that took a long time. I started with like $50 in my pocket. I didn't have a budget. I had to grind my way all the way up. It took me months and months and months to even see my first dollar. Okay, this is a true skill. When you're affiliate marketing, the key word there is marketing. Think about it. People go to school for 4, 6, sometimes 8 years to get degrees in marketing. It's not just something you just wake up one day, click a few buttons on your computer, and all of a sudden you make $1 million. It's just unrealistic. So I invented this program called the Affiliate Franchise, but it's not for everybody. It's a premium program. It's not a course. We don't do course stuff. I don't believe in this day and age that it is ethical to still sell courses. I just don't think it is, because courses is nothing but an assortment of videos ordered in such a way the minute that you buy them, they're outdated, there's no help there, you're lost, you're confused, and you wasted your money. Most people fail at courses, about 98% failure rate at all courses online, okay? And that's the reason for that, because they just don't help the same way a human being does. So at the Affiliate Franchise, we do have a staff of human beings. You get a personal coach in your corner who's going to walk you through your business. And the thing is, it's premium, and we only help people whose main problem is not money, it's time. Now think about this. When you're building a business, any business, not just online, not anything, you're always spending something. You're spending you're giving something of yourself away. So if you don't have a lot of money, okay, but you have time, right? So if you have spare time, like a few hours a day, you can sit down, you can look through my channel, you can Google a bunch of stuff, and you can just figure it out, and you have a nice steady job where you're not dying, you're okay, you can probably afford to just figure this out on your own. And that's just me being truthful. You don't need a course, you don't need anything. A lot of stuff is free here on YouTube, Google. Information's free. That's why I think it's unethical for people to start selling courses, because information's free. Now, that being said, if you don't have a lot of time, who we serve at the Affiliate Franchise is people who are really busy professionals. Maybe they have like a 6-figure job already, but they're working like 70 hours a week. Like they're just swamped, and they wish they could start a business, but they can't because they just don't have any time. Or they have like a brick and mortar business and they're just tired, they're ready to retire, they're ready to sell their business, they're just working in their business nonstop, day in and day out, they're already making 6 figures. Okay, there's a point in time when you can only put so much of your time into something, and now it becomes a pain, right? Whether it be a business or a really great job, you put so much time to it that now you've actually sacrificed yourself. Now you actually have no time for family and the things you actually care about and the people you love and all that stuff. So that's what we do at the Affiliate Franchises. We're an actual staff that we come into your corner. We help build out your sales funnels. We build out your marketing message, your ad campaigns, help automate the whole process. But it's premium, right? It's for people who already have money to make money. If you don't have money, stick on this channel, subscribe. There's plenty of free content on here that you can just use your time to learn. Okay, but don't fall for this stuff from all these other channels, all this click a button and make $1 back right away, all that. It's a bunch of nonsense, okay? Either you're going to have a big budget or you're going to have plenty of time, but you have to learn some skills if you have plenty of time, or if you have a big budget, hire the right team to help you, and that's us, the Affiliate Franchise, where you're selling other people's products, and we can help you set it up with automated paid ads and sales funnels and all that good stuff. And use AI, because AI is real. It is a great tool to use, but you have to know how to use it. A lot of the stuff that they're teaching is just, it's silly, okay? So that being said, that's it for this video. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.